This is a 2008 Holden Commodore Sportswagen V6. I'll show you a full in-depth tour of this car, start her up and show the exterior as well as the interior, start her up and show the engine. Without further ado, let's get right into the review. The car's only done 146,000 Ks. A bit throaty for a V6. Power steering. .6 litre V6 engine. Little 18-inch alloy rims and Bridgestone tyres. Dual exhausts. Very throaty for a V6. Alright, so you've got your pretty much basic simplistic gauge cluster with your trip computer in the middle and your 4 gauges to the side. On your steering wheel you got your trip computer controls, trip computer and audio controls, and you've got your phone controls as well as your volume. Stocks. Center control stack, you got your read up here of what radio station you're listening to, as well as the time. Hazard lights, preset, 6 preset radio stations, which I think you can do manually. I'm not quite sure how this works. Power button, and then it just displays the time and date. Climate controls and more radio controls, automatic transmission, traction control, park and brake, window controls, cup holders and storage in there with a 12-volt power outlet. On the door, you just got storage for cups and other utensils. Speaker, nothing else really. And here you just got your light controls. Excuse me, mirror, sunglasses, storage, light, and you can just set it when all the doors are open. That's pretty much it, and your rear view mirror. There you go. At least I pointed that out. This car's got some nice aluminum door sills down here. Very nice. Very nice seats too. Very comfortable too. Manual adjusting though. We're here today at Expected Cars and Commercials. No, it's not Expected Cars and Commercials. Just Expected Cars. Come down and visit their wide range of vehicles, from Holdens to Fords to Chevys even Nissans. I'm pretty sure there's a car for everyone's taste here. So yeah, come in. I'll also leave a link down below so you can check them out there. I'm not quite sure this wagon's on the website. Why isn't this unlocked? This car is being impossible today. But the alarm does go off because the central locking is not working. There we go. Just the perks of owning a car, I guess. Or in my case, reviewing. You know what I mean. Probably don't, but... Holden branded carpeting. Lots of leg room. Pull the seat all the way forward, there's still lots of leg room. Holden owner's manual, and I'm pretty sure that's for the wheels. Learn all about the V8 and V6 engines and the VE and WM cars. Pretty handy, just in case you get stuck on the side of the road and you don't know what you're talking about when it comes to your engines. Lots of leg room back here and headroom too. It's very comfortable. Very nice seating. View of the dash. It's a very clean car. Looks so very deceiving with this vehicle, and it's been sitting here for a while. It's very, very interesting. $15,000 it can be yours. That's not bad. Leather pouch on both seats. Window controls, and yeah, I didn't turn the car back on. Oh damn! It's alright. Oh my sweet lord, this car. Apologies for that. Alright. Right. Window controls. Grab handle and headliner. Alright. So okay car, don't panic. Alright, we're good. Oh, that gave me a fright. And it probably did all the people around me. But that's what happens when I didn't turn the car back on. That was all my fault. So you got storage down here for your cup holders and all your other essentials. Speaker, door release, and that. Wow, look at all that. Look at all the storage back here. I think it's even longer, it's even bigger boot space than you get in sedans. Space saver, infamous space saver. Very hefty, that. Cargo netting with the 12 volt power outlet again, lights. Got a cargo cover as well. And hey, actually got it in place this time. Isn't enough space for you, you say? Well, just come around here. Alright. And fold the seats down like so. Oh well, and there's an upside to that too. Someone commented on the review of the Holden VE ZSS, wanted to hear a car alarm. There you go, you heard a car alarm. Wasn't anticipating on it, but that's your car alarm for you. And look at all the space you can get back here. So yeah, there was an upside to that alarm going off. We'll just say that's my excuse. And there's even parking sensors back here. How nice. Lots of storage back there. You can get quite a lot of stuff in there, which you'd want to do if you've got a wagon. And again, if you want to fold the seats back up, all you have to do is just lift them up and they will click into place. Simple as that. Let's just lock this car up before it goes nuts at me again. Oh my lord. Take that out. Sleep behemoth. There you go, that is the review of the 2008 Holden Sportswagen. I hope you did enjoy, and we will see you guys in another review.